Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. So I did go ahead and start with my nails already base coated and primed, and I am going to go ahead and take this nude color from Chameleon, and I'll make sure to leave all the products that I use in this video in the description down below. So if you would like to try out this nail design and you want to use the same products I did, they'll be there so that you can just click the link and it'll go straight to the product. I absolutely love this design because it was so simple, so easy to do, and it's really cute. So if you're interested, keep watching. I am going to use 2 coats of that Chameleon gel polish, and in between each coat I do cure in the UV lamp for 60 seconds. Now I will be taking a nude color from GAOY and applying 1 coat and curing for 60 seconds in the UV lamp because I like to layer my base colors for French tips. Next, I'm going to take this white gel polish and I'm going to go ahead and use a liner brush and start creating the French tips. To clean up my French tips, I go ahead and use my cleanup brush that I got from Temu. This helps me make my French tips look nice and crisp. Now with that same white gel polish and a smaller liner brush, more like a detailed brush, I'm going to go ahead and make little teardrops for the ghost shapes, and then I'm going to cure in the UV lamp for 60 seconds. Next, for the mummy nail, I did just go ahead and do like a sideways M shape and just added a couple extra random lines. They don't have to be perfect, just wherever you would like to place them works. It's a mummy, it doesn't have to be perfect. And after you're finished drawing the lines, I do go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. For the ghost's eyes and mouth, I'm going to use my black gel polish and a dotting tool and just make little teeny tiny dots, and I'm going to use my detail brush and create the mouth going upside down like a teardrop. Then I apply 2 little eyes for the mummy and I cure for 60 seconds in the UV lamp. Now to create the pumpkin, I'm going to go ahead and use this blood orange colored gel polish that I have from Nude. You can use any orange color you have on hand. I just happen to have this one. And you're going to use the detail brush, and you're going to create like kind of like a heart, and you can do it anywhere on the nail. I decided to just do it on the tip. And it doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to outline it here in a little bit. Once you fill that in, just go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. On the French tip nails, I decided to draw some patches, so I'm going to use my detail brush, and I'm going to go ahead and make little squares and fill that in orange. And then you're going to cure for 60 seconds. And once we're done with that, we're going to come back and outline it in some black nail polish with the same detail brush. For the pumpkin, just outline the outside shape with some black gel polish and a detail brush, and then you're going to add the little lines of the pumpkin, maybe 3 or 4, and then you're going to add just a little tiny curl at the top for the stem. After you're finished, go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm taking the French tip nail, and I'm going to go ahead and outline the smile line with the black gel polish and the detail brush. And I'm going to go ahead and outline the little patch squares and just add little stitch-like lines around the whole entire square. After that, you're going to go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. I did decide to go ahead and add some lines as stitching on the smile line. I thought it just made the nail design even better. I thought the ghosts looked kind of plain by themselves, so I decided to add little stars next to them. And I was going to go ahead and put little tiny rhinestones just to make it a little more cuter. Once the nails are finished curing and I'm done with the design, before I use a matte top coat, I like to use a regular top coat and just apply a layer because it helps the matte not streak as much. After I apply the layer of the regular shiny top coat, I do go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. Once the nails have been fully cured, I take my matte top coat from Beetles and apply a layer over all the nails and cure for 120 seconds just to make sure it fully cures and there's no shiny spots. This is how the nails look after they come out the lamp, and I did go ahead and file the free edge off camera, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.